All right, so for the postseason mesocycle, I would like for my client to do about 4 to 5 sets on exercises and stay between 50 to 60% of his 1 rep max for the postseason, which is after the competition. I'd like for him to continue 1 hour training sessions and 30 minutes of cardio after the workout, just to keep a good frame on him of his muscle maturity. And then for the macro cycle, same thing, about 4 to 5 sets on every exercise. And I'd like him for him to increase from 50 to 60% to 60 to 70% of his 1 rep max during his training throughout this year, as he keeps going. And this would go into the next season for him to compete again. Again, 1 hour training sessions, and I'd like for him to bump up his cardio, just like his 1 rep max intensity, from 30 to 45 minutes throughout this year. Again, going into the next season, he'll have to do 45 minutes again. But this is also depends on how he's looking and eating at the time.